Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to add the form builder feature to your app. Log into your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on manage app and you'll be redirected to the overview page. Next, under the edit, test and go live section, click on edit. Now to add the form builder feature, click on the add feature button in the sidebar, then click view all and search form builder. Click on the feature to add it to your app. Once you added the feature, you will see the feature listed in my features section, where you can edit, customize, and organize your added features the way you want. Now hover over the feature and you will have options to show hide the feature, edit and customize the feature, delete the feature, and move the feature. Now let's check out what all you can do with the newly added form feature. Click on this pencil icon here to edit and customize the feature. This is your page or feature name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or an outline icon or an image from our library, or upload your own custom icon image. You can even upload two different images for the mobile app and website. Let's move to the content section now. Here you will see 4 different options. Example, appointment form, inquiry form, custom form, and nested form. The appointment form and the inquiry form are preset forms, whereas the custom form and nested form are customizable forms that you can design as per your needs. Now let's check each of the forms one by one. Click on the appointment option here and this will open a preset form. Now enter the form name here. Click on the form icon to change the icon. From here you can delete the appointment form. Now enter the subject of the email in this field or leave the subject as is. Next, enter the email ID to which you want inquiries to be sent. If you want to add multiple email addresses, then click on the Add More button. To delete the email ID field, click the bin icon here. Let's move to the additional field section now. Here you will see the field types and field names that will be displayed in the form. Hover over the area next to the respective field names to check out which fields are active and mandatory. By default, the field types including email, phone, date, and time are active and mandatory. However, if you want, you can change the field name for the particular field type as per your needs. Click on the Add More button to add new field. Once you add a new field, then you can define the field type from the drop-down menu with a field name and make them active or mandatory as per your choice. To delete the added field, click on the bin icon here. Now coming to the second option, example, inquiry form. Inquiry form is similar to the appointment form except that no additional fields can be added to the inquiry form. Click on the inquire option here and preset form template will open. Enter the form name here. From here you can change the form icon. Click the bin icon here to delete the inquiry form. Next, enter the email ID to which you want the inquiries to be sent and then specify the subject of the email you want. Now let's move to the additional field section. Here you will see the field types and field names. Hover over the area next to the respective field names to check out which field types are active and mandatory. Now coming to the custom form that lets you build a customizable form from scratch. Click on the custom option here and preset form will appear. You can edit the form name, change the form icon, or delete the form if required. Specify the email subject in this field. Next, enter the email ID to which you want inquiries to be sent. Click on Add More to add multiple email addresses. Next, tick-mark the checkboxes here to incorporate various functions in the form. You can send an inquiry confirmation email to the customer, obtain GPS location of the app user, allow app users to upload a digital signature, and hide the form from the main app pages if used in other features such as directory, hyperlocal, real estate, or custom event listings. You can even display a timer in the form and autofill the data of the user in the form by selecting the respective checkboxes. Here you can provide a description and upload a header image which will be displayed at the top of the form. Now coming to the form field section, here you will see the field types and field names which you can customize as per your needs. hover over the region here to customize the particular form field. From here, you can make the form field mandatory for the user to fill. Click the plus icon to add the field hint. With this option, you can showcase a hint to your users when to fill out the particular form field. Similarly, you can show or hide the form field by clicking this eye icon here. To delete the particular field, click the bin icon here. If you want to add multiple form fields, then click the Add More button here. Now coming to the fax section that lets you enable the fax facility in your app, click the tooltip and follow the mentioned steps to obtain the API key and the secret key. Enter the fax number, API key, and the secret key in the respective fields to enable the fax facility in the custom form. Just to inform you, you can also enable payment in the custom form from your app's backend. Finally, let's move on to the last form, which is the nested form. Click on the nested option here and a preset form will appear. Similarly to the other forms, from here you can edit the form name, change the form icon, or delete the form if required. Specify the email subject in this field. Next, enter the email ID to which you want inquiries to be sent. Click on Add More to add multiple email addresses. Next, tickmark the Send Inquiries Confirmation email to customer. Checkbox to allow your customers to receive confirmation email. Similarly, you can also select the Get GPS location of app user checkbox to obtain the location of your app user. Now provide a description here and upload a header image that will be displayed at the top of the form. Here you will see multiple subforms that you can embed in your nested form. First, let's see Form 1. From here you can change the form name. Now this is the form field section. This section contains field types and field names which you can customize as per your needs. Similar to the way you configure Form 1, you can set up Form 2 as well. You can define the form fields and the steps to be carried out next. To add and set up multiple subforms, click the Add More Form button here. Now let's change the layout and color scheme of your form builder feature. Click on this color palette icon here to change the page style and color scheme. Click on the background icon and select an image for the page background. If you want, you can select an image from our library or solid color or upload your own custom background image. Next, select your desired layout from the given options. From here, you can set the page elements, color, font size, and indent. You can also make the form fields rounded by enabling the rounded toggle. Similarly, you can hide borders and resize the confirm or submit button in the form by enabling the respective toggles. Now let's enable in-app purchase for this feature. Click the in-app settings icon in the side menu, then under in-app settings, enable the in-app toggle and provide the necessary credentials in the required fields. Please note you can enable in-app for both Android and iOS. For getting the credentials, you can click on the question mark icon and refer to our tutorial. After providing the credentials, you can use them as global credentials by checking this checkbox here. Please note you can also add new credentials if you want. Once you're done, click on Save to save the changes manually or directly click the Publish button to see the reflection of your latest updates on your mobile app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.